minor pentatonic, shape 2. In the second part of this extended shape, we have the following 5 notes on the 3 thinnest strings, and they all come from this shape right here. So if you want to play this full shape, it looks like this. You start with your index and ring finger on the thickest string right here. When you get to the 5th and 4th strings, you fret with your index finger and pinky finger right here. Now you're entering the extended shape on the 3rd string, so just like before, you have your index finger and ring finger in these positions. And then again, on the 2 thinnest strings, you use the same fingering as the extended shape, so you have the index finger and ring finger right here. This shape is also connected to the shape next to it. If you look at all of the index finger positions in this shape, you can see that they are played with either the pinky finger or ring finger in the other shape. Again, this is a great way to see how the different shapes are connected while also making it easier to jump between each shape while playing solos or improvising. If you want to bend right here, there's also only one position that works great in this shape, and that is a full bend on the thinnest string right here. Remember to use your other fingers as support while bending to get more power and control over your bend. Now, let's start practicing the shape to retain it through your muscle memory.